Dear students, greetings from Dr. P. Sindhil Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about call by value and call by reference in C programming. In previous video lecture, we are discussed about categories of functions with 4 categories. With examples, we are discussed. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about call by value and call by reference. This is week 10, lecture 1 video, classroom discussion, videos 28. Lecture outcome of this particular lecture is, after completion of this lecture, student will be able to develop the C program using call by value and call by reference in function. In the previous video, we have discussed about different types of functions and categories of functions, and what is argument passing and return values. Based on that, how it is categorized, and sample programs for those categories that we have discussed in the previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about call by value and call by reference. What is the difference? The original value will be there, no? That will be modified. If it is modified, then it is call by reference. If it is not modified, that is call by value. Okay. So example, function call is there, no? That is calling the function. So if example add a comma b, if I am sending that value, we have a and b value, means there is no changes or there is no modification happened. So that is considered as call by value. So instead of values, whatever the original values are there, it is not there, it is modified, like addition of ampersand a, ampersand b. I am passing these two address of the particular variable. So it is modified, no? So if it is modified, it is considered as the call by reference. Okay. There are two methods to pass the data into function, that is called like call by value and call by reference. What is call by value? Call by value means we are passing the value directly to the function. Okay. So see this example. So we are declared the function declaration. Okay. The function declaration itself, we can find the type of the function. If this function does not return any value, the function name is swap, and it is getting two integer value from the function call. Okay. In main function, we are declared two variable. One is m and n. M is initialized with 22, n is initialized with 44. So now, if you print the m and n value, the whatever value it is there, it will print. Okay. So m equal to 22, n equal to 44, it will print first. After that, function call is there. So this is function call. So function call, we are passing the value, m value, n value. So that's why we are saying this is call by value. Okay, so we are calling the function with value. This is call by value. So what happened? The function flow will comes here. It will take that a value, m value as a, that is 22, and n value as b, as that is 44. Okay. So here a and b value will be swapped using this code. After that, it will print after swap a and b value. Okay. So if you are given n value, m and n value, no. So after swapping, 44 and 22 will be swapped. That is printed. So mainly, what purpose we are written this program? Call by value. What is call by value? We are calling the function with based on their value. That is call by value. Okay. So this program you see that we are calling the function with address or reference. Okay. So in this program, just see the function declaration. So in this function declaration, the function does not return any value. Function name is swap, but it is passing to pointer value. So where the pointer is used, Pointer is pointing to the memory location of the variable. For example, if we are declared int a comma b, or if in case int m comma n, so what happen? The compiler will create the memory. So this is for m, this is for n. So it is 2 bytes or 4 bytes according to the compiler. For integer, 2 bytes minimum we will take. So 2 bytes of space it will allocate. So for this location, it's have some values. That value we don't know. The operating system have those addresses. Okay. So m is stored here, n is stored here. We don't know which location it is stored. That is considered as the ampersand m and ampersand n. So this is location or address of the memory. Okay. So now in this function, what we are saying that we are passing the address of the arguments. So here we are passing the address or reference of the particular variable. So it is taken as a pointer. Whenever we are saying this address, no, for that we need to show that location using pointer. So here we have two pointer. When it is passing the address, it will take us a pointer. The pointer will changed. Okay. So using this code, the pointer will be changed. A will be pointing to B, B will be pointing to A. Like that it will change. Then it will print pointer value. So automatically it is swapped. So what happened? This is function call. So in this function call, we are passing the address, not the value. So that's why we are saying this is call by reference. Okay, clear. So I hope you are understand what is call by value and what is call by reference. So now you just develop a C program to check the given number is prime or not using call by value. Okay, as well as call by reference also will check. So this is a reflections part video. So now one question is there. What we are passing as argument will call by reference. Okay, value, pointer, array, address. Okay. So while we are calling the function, I will give 10 seconds time you find the answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 10 seconds over. I hope you have chosen the right answer. The right answer is address. Okay, while we are calling that, or we are passing the argument, will call by reference is address of the variable. If you are chosen the correct answer, you proceed further. Otherwise, you'll go back and watch the video and come here. Okay. So we are end of this lecture. Having completed this discussion on call by value and call by reference in C language, now students should be able to develop a C program using call by value and call by reference in functions. Okay. So thank you very much, dear students. I hope you are enjoyed this video. Even if you have doubt, you can refer the textbook Programming in ANSYS, which is authored by Dr. E. Balaguru Swami sir. The chapter number 9 under user defined functions. Okay. So further doubt, you can refer weekly tutorial sheet, as well as you will come with the doubt for discussion in classroom. Thank you very much for listening this video.